Hello students, good morning. Today I would like to explain about the main core paper, that is business analytics, that is second Bcom fourth semester paper for computer application students. Okay, coming to business analytics, what is, first of all you have to know about what is business analytics and where it is used and what is the purpose of giving business analytics to commerce students. Okay, first of all, by taking reference as business analytics, what is business analytics? Know about what is business analytics. Okay, it refers to the skills. It is a separate team in every organization or firm or company. Okay, uh, business analytics BA, it refers to the skills and technologies and practices for continuous iterative exploration. That means giving exploration in a repeated way and take an investigation of past business performance of particular organization to gain insight and drive business plannings. Okay, next, business analytics focuses on developing new insights, that means new elaboration of particular business and their productivity, and understanding the business performance based on data and statistical methods. That means is nothing but some stored information related to particular business. In contrast, business intelligence traditionally focuses on using a consistent set of metrics to both measure past performance and also guide business plannings. Okay, in other words, business intelligence focuses on description, while business analytics focuses on prediction. That means where it is ended and where to ended a particular activity in that particular business, and main and describe the prescription also. Okay, and also business analytics makes extensive use of analytical modeling and numerical analysis. That means it also calculated and some calculations based on the business from past performances, and also including explanatory and predictive modeling and fact based management to drive decision making. That means any issue coming to the particular business or organization, taking and make a particular decision of particular situation. Okay, it is therefore also closely related to the management science. Analytics may be used as input for human decisions, or may drive fully automated decisions. That means taking automatically. And also business intelligence is querying, reporting, online analytical processing OLAP, and also OLTP, also transaction processing. Answer questions such as what happened, how many happened to particular situation, and how often, where the problem is, and what actions are needed. Coming to business analytics can answer the questions like why is this happening, what if these trends continue, and what will happen next. That means predications, and what is the best outcome that can happen. This is all about and define and what is business analytics. Okay, coming to the main objectives and how the continuous process can be taken in business analytics, that refers as business analytics life cycle. Okay, coming to this, you have to see the major points, that is the first point, that is some business analysis has come to play. That means BA come to play an important role in generating value and delivering competitive advantage to business. That means every organization or every company firm regarding to the business analysis plays an important role in particular organization for generating and delivering competitive advantages to business. And also the process of business analytics comprises the following steps. These are the 8 following steps completely and follows every business analysis life cycle. Okay, refer to these points. Coming to that is, first of all, what can you do? That means problem identification, in particular regarding the particular problem given and identified by the business analysis that can prepare particular regarding the data. Next one is third one, that is data exploration. For coming to fourth point, that is transferring and selection of data. Next one is building model, and sixth one is validate model. Seventh one is deploy model. Finally, eighth one is 8 life cycle, that is evaluation and monitor results. Okay, coming to first life cycle, that is problem identification. What is problem identification? In problem identification phase, the business problem is formulated of defined in analytical terms that can be addressed with operational data. When a problem is identified in a business organization, then you have to collect that particular data regarding the problem, where it is occurred and what problem is identified. Regarding this problem, you have to collect regarding their problem data. Once an analytics project begins, it is not clear whether there is enough data available to support the predictive analysis. That means that if the data regarding to the problem is available or not, then first of all they identify the what data is required for a particular problem. Coming to next life cycle, that is data preparation. In that particular organization or business firm, once the statistician confirms that data has merit for solving the problem, that means there is a necessary input. What problem regarding that problem, you have to collect the data. This is the major merit for solving that problem. Then the task is addressing the analytical nature of the problem. Okay, at this point, the researchers many propose to solve the problem with segmentation. Predictive models used the segmentation and predictive models to solve a particular problem. What the problem is identified in that particular business organization. Then specific statistical techniques require special types of data. Okay, this is comes under data preparation. Next one is data exploration. Okay, coming to third life cycle, that is data exploration. Often data is gathered in a non-rigid or controlled manner in bulks large bulks. For true analysis, this unorganized bulk of data needs to be narrowed down. This is where data exploration is used to. That means simply data exploration is nothing but the where we collect the data that can be exploration is used to analyze the data and information from the data to form further analysis. Okay, coming to next life cycle, that is by observing this transferring and selection of data. That means simply in the data analysis is a set of tools and techniques for gain insight from an organizational data. Okay, simply what is transferring and selection of data is simply selecting the data required data for a particular problem. Then it can be analysis is a set of tools and techniques to gain insight from an organizational data. Okay, next one is build model. That means the data modeling is a set of tools and techniques to understand and analyze how an organization should collect, update, and store. These are the main steps. That is, first one is data collection of data, collect, then update of data, then store the data. Okay, data modeling is critical skill. Data modeling is critical skill. Okay, coming to next, that is data model is critical skill for an organization, that is business analyst that is involved with discovering and analyzing and information. Okay, coming to next life cycle, that is validate model. Okay, coming to next life cycle, validate, that means what data collected, where updated, and collection data that can be for problem identification and invalidation. After that you can validate the model. That is when the business data model is independent of particular specific application system needs and is best developed by the management group with input from business supply matter experts, and validation activities for the model also include. That means when the collection of data is updated, then it can be validated the model. That means the business data model is independent of particular specific application of the system needs and is best developed by the data management group with input from business supply matter experts. Okay, after that the deploy model. Okay, finally deploy model. Coming to deploy model, the concept of deployment is in predictive data mining refers to the application of the model for prediction of new data. That means simply refer the word data mining. That is what data we collected and maintained particular data is database is called data mining. Refers to the application of model for prediction of new data. Building a model is generally not the end of the project. Even if the purpose of the model is to increase knowledge of the data, the knowledge gained will need to be organized and presented in a way that customer can use it. That means if the customer is want to use it, then the gained will need to be organized and presented in a way, in a particular way where the customer can want to view it. Okay, depending on the requirements, the deployment phase can be as simple as generating a report or as complex as implementing a repeatable data mining process. In the data mining process, we gather the information of what data is stored and maintained. Coming to final life cycle of model is business analysis is evaluation and monitor results. Model evaluation is an integral part of the model development process. It helps to find the best model that represents our data and how well the chosen model will work in the future. Evaluation and monitor results means this model evaluation is an integral part of the model development process. The chosen model will work in the future. Okay, this is the basic concepts of business analytics, and also these are the different business analysis. In the analysis process, the total analysis way can be observed by these 8 steps. Follow the 8 steps. These steps are called business analysis steps, and it can follow in every business analysis life cycle. The 8 main steps are problem identification. First one is, next one is data preparation, and the third one is data exploration and transferring and selection of data. Fifth one is build a particular model, what it is injected and evaluated for a particular problem. Prediction. Sixth one is validate model. Seventh one is deploy model, and eighth one is evaluation and monitor results. These are different life cycle steps that follows by business analysis. This is the process that is called business analysis that can be followed by business analysts. Okay, these are the steps of life cycle in BA. Thank you.